Okay, had to record this because I can't believe this little kid, 3 years old, knows how to play this game. This is Andre. This is him playing the game. That's him playing it. He's jumping over everything. Level complete. Unbelievable. I'm baffled. And then them see you play, Andre. You jumped the stairs, jumped up into the ramp, slid down, jumped up over the trash can. Hope you guys can see this. The sun is kind of in the way. Look, jump the trash can, jump the stairs. Wowzer. 3 years old. Probably was taught one time. Jump the ramp. Uh-oh, he got out. Unbelievable, kid. You are like so genius.
Trying to do somebody better, but I came over just to make things clear. No business.
You know when to jump them ramps. Level complete. Do you hear me? You don't hear me though. What's your score? 13,000? That's your score? 13 G's? You doing good? Okay. Wait. Oh, never mind. I don't want to interrupt the game.
My working.
What? I'm recording it. I got you on record. I see you. I see you, kid. You think you're a pro. Look at that. Wow. Uh-oh. You bit the dust. Wow. Well, keep recording.